Hi guys, I'm Jess, and today I'm going to show you how to do a French braid. First, I'm going to brush my hair. I'm going to continue brushing this to brush it away from my face. Now I'm going to use some dry shampoo. This will help to give more texture to the roots. Next, I'm going to take the top section of my hair and I'm going to split it into three. Now I have my three sections. I'm going to start braiding. And going for another piece of hair. I'm taking the left side of my hair and wrapping it over into the middle strand. And then I'm going to take my right side of my hair and wrap it over to the middle strand as well. Repeat this process and your braid will form. Now to secure it with a hairband. And to finish off my look, I'm going to loosen a few bits in the plait and at the front. And now I'm going to finish it with a bit of hairspray. As an option, to fill any gaps in your hair, you can apply some hair makeup. And if you'd like to see more videos, subscribe below.